Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Apify, a powerful platform that lets you scrap websites and automate tasks without writing code. Whether you are a marketer, data analyst, or just curious about automation, this 2025 Apify tutorial is for you. Let's jump in. Apify is a cloud-based platform that lets you extract data from websites using what they call actors, which are like mini automation apps. You can scrape product listings, reviews, search results, or even automate browse actions. And the best part, many of these actors require zero coding. First of all, go to apify.com and create a free account. Click on Get Started. Then enter your email and create a strong password, or you can also sign up with your Google or GitHub account and select your Google account. Then click Continue. And click Continue again. And that's it. Once you are in, you will land on your dashboard where you can see browse or search public actors, view your tasks and results, monitor uses, credits and API keys, create and schedule automation flows. Tip: you start with free credits, which are enough to test and run small scrapers. Let's use a pre-built actor to scrap Amazon product data. From the Actors tab, search for Amazon product scraper. Go to store, search Amazon product scraper, then select it and try it for free. Click start. Fill in your input fields like the ASIN or keyword plus filters. Choose if you want reviews, price, description, etc. Click run. Once it's finished, you can click dataset, view data, and see all the scrapped information structured and clean. Bonus tip: you can export it as Excel, CSV, JSON, or Google Sheets, perfect for product research or e-commerce. Want to reuse the same actor with different inputs? You can create a task. Go to the actor you like, create task. Want to reuse the same actor with different inputs? You can create a task. Go to actor you like, create task. Name it like Amazon Shoes Scraper. Enter new inputs like keywords, categories, or ASINs. Save and run anytime. This is great for recurring jobs. You can even schedule it to run daily to weekly. Let's automate your scrapping so you don't have to log in every time. Go to tasks, Then your task schedule. From here, so set how often you want it to run, hourly, weekly, monthly, or minute. Then click create or save. Apify will now run the task automatically and save new data each time. Perfect for tracking price changes, monitoring competitors, or keeping a fresh dataset. Want your scrapped data to grow, data to go straight to Google Sheets or another app? Use Apify integrations. Choose a Google Sheet from here. And choose a spreadsheet column mapping. Save now. Save now. Your next runs will send data there automatically. Apify has a free plan with limited uses and paid plans starting at 49 month per month, $49 per month if you need larger volumes or priority runs to save credits. Choose lightweight scrappers, avoid unnecessary data fields, use scheduling wisely, test with small runs first. And that's how you use Apify to automate web scraping and data collection in 2025. No coding needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.